Michael throws a ball from the top of a building that is 20 meters high. The ball has a maximum height of 25 meters after 0.1 seconds. How long does it take for the ball to reach the ground? We begin by drawing a picture of Michael on a building 20 meters tall, throwing the ball. Now the maximum height you can think of as upside down parabola. The maximum height occurs 0.1 seconds later. So there's your vertex, 0.1 x coordinate or your t coordinate. And the y value or the h value is going to be 5 meters up, which is 25. 20 plus 5 is 25. So we know the generic quadratic formula is y equals ax minus b squared plus c, and the vertex happens to be the b and the c value. So minus 0.1 means we shifted the vertex to the right 0.1, and a c value of 25 means the vertex from the standard original graph is shifted up 25 units. Now we're given some more information. The initial point is very useful. The initial point is at 0, time is 0, and the initial height is 20. We simply plug it in. When we plug it in, we get the height is 20, and the time is 0, and these are all numbers except for the variable a. So using some simplification, you can solve that a is negative 500. Be careful, when you have 0 minus 0.1, this is essentially negative 0.1 squared. A negative 0.1 times a negative 0.1 becomes positive. Alright, so now that we solved the a value, we can actually come up with the actual equation of this quadratic. So the original equation we came up with was pretty close, but the real formula here is the a value is negative 500, which we substituted in for a. So we copy it down, and what we reread the question here, saying how long does it take for the ball to reach the ground? When the ball reaches the ground, the actual h value is 0. So we plug in 0, and you can see that there is no other variables except for t. We can solve for t, which is answering the question. We subtract both sides by 25, so the 25 here becomes a negative 25. We divide both sides by negative 500 to get 0.05. We take the square root of both sides, so we end up with t minus 0.1. And finally, we add the 0.1 to both sides to solve for t. Excellent.